Today I can say the Kalpana Chawla. That also from your favorite Indian sports icon.
Sports icon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So share your
Okay.
thought on the impact on Indian mythology. Related
Got it.
to. That's why I choose that
Mythology.
question. Okay. In our childhood, I can say a small story of yoga.
Yoga. Okay. One in all the forts. Common thing.
Yeah, actually,
Connect to the you connect the peoples. Then I got a little bit informations about the
yes.
that particular place and their history, their culture, traditions. So that's why I love to. I'm really enjoying this session because most of the time we just talking about English and English and English. Okay,
Yes.
but now we are talking in a different topic. So
Yes.
really, I love this kind of conversation.
Yes. I also, very good afternoon. Okay.
Okay,
So,
how was your morning?
yeah, my morning, I can say very good, I guess. Yes. What's about
Okay.
you?
Me, okay, I'm also good. And my morning is very hectic today.
Okay.
Yeah, it is okay now
Okay.
myself. So I'm Deepika. I'm from Haryana. I hold master's degree in commerce.
Okay.
Previously, I worked as a teacher, but recently I am just homemaker. Okay,
Okay.
and alongside managing my home and kids, I also run a small YouTube channel, English with Deepika, where I share my solo video, sometime a conversation video. And if I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays I'm passionate by this language, English language. So nowadays I'm learning on my English speaking skills and communication skills. Apart from that, I also love to talk different peoples. Okay, so yeah, and I also love to listen music. So that's pretty much about me. And yeah.
Aging, yeah, I can say. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
When I started my this journey, when I started to connect with different people, okay, then I really enjoy that time, really.
Yes.
And then at that time, I feel like that it needs to start previously for me, because when I earlier I started my journey, then it feel like a so burden on my head. Okay, but after connecting different people, then finally feel like yeah, now you are learning as well as you are also enjoying this journey. So
Yes.
that thing I want to ask from you.
Okay. Yeah, for me also, actually, I enjoy the process of learning, so I'm not feel monotonous. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
that's
So you just making video, only conversational video for your English practice, or you do any other activities?
yes. Actually, I do solo video also, and audio call practice also I do regular basis, and yes, doing practice also, and reading books. That's I do. Okay,
The video.
yeah, I complete one book, Attitude is Everything, that I complete, and the second also, Sudha Murthy Ma'am's book. That's also I complete. Yeah.
Which kind of content you like the most?
Yeah, actually, stories book. Stories also, actually, earlier I go with self-help books. I listen a
Okay.
lot books. Yeah, that's helped me a lot
Okay.
for my habit also. And yes, earlier I'm not aware of. I can say the habit also, but now I am early riser person, and yes, doing yoga, meditation. That's I really enjoy and feel calm and composed for
Hmm.
my whole day. Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Earlier I also started reading. Then I
Okay.
bought a book, Atomic Habit. Okay.
Yes.
I
Yes.
read this book really like 3 to 4 chapters only.
Okay.
After that, I felt like that this is not your cup of tea. Then I keep it aside. Sorry, because it's depend on your interest.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And yeah, language also not easy to understand. Yes, I understand because I first of all I listen audio that book and after I read that book. Yes. So that's why in my mind, yes, I understand. Easy to understand for me. Otherwise, no. Yes,
And I love to like books that are based on a true event. Okay,
yes, yes.
some kind of biography and some kind of true event. So I love this kind of book. Otherwise, I just nowadays I'm pushing to myself to build a habit of reading.
Yes.
Yeah, I
I
also
also.
completed my first book. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm also now I'm wondering a new another book.
Okay.
You heard about the Alchemist
Yes,
book.
yes. Audiobook I listen. Yes,
Are you
yes.
also
Now,
listening podcast?
now I listen
Okay.
podcast also, and yeah, my morning start with actually audiobook, and today I can say the Kalpana Chawla. That also from Karnal, Haryana. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So that's I enjoy.
Nowadays we're enjoying like
And
this kind of podcast.
yes, and Priyanka Chopra also unfinished that book also. Yeah, biography
I
also
also
I
love
enjoy.
I also love to listen Priyanka Chopra. Really,
Yes,
it's
yes,
he's a very very good speaker.
yes.
So that's why I'm also listening.
Okay. Your favorite Indian sports icon?
Sports icon.
Yeah,
Okay. Actually, I am not
you are
taking too
from
much interest
Haryana.
in
You are from
yeah.
Haryana, and there are many sportsmen and related
Yeah.
to yeah. So you also
Okay. So mainly I because of I watched a movie, so that's why I know about it. That is the Geeta Fogart, and
yes,
her sisters. They also
yes,
icon because after these girls, then people aware after watching that movie, people aware to get freedom for your kids to play whatever they want to play any game like because
yes,
people
yes,
think like that kushti is not a girls like girls
yes,
game.
yes.
Okay, so that's
I
why.
also watch it.
And after again and nowadays I also heard about it shooting. In a shooting, many girls got medals in a shooting.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah, that's both game are very good.
yes.
And yeah, I'm also
What on the impact on Indian mythology? Actually,
Indian mythology.
yes,
Yeah.
that's about actually Ramayana and two scriptures, Ramayana and Mahabharata. So Mahabharata also from Kurukshetra. That's also from Haryana. So related
Got it.
to. That's why I choose that
Mythology.
question. Okay.
Actually, I is teaches us what's the bad and what's the good for our living. Okay, and mythology, try to set a what's an example of courage, of loyalty, respect. For example, because in earlier time, ancient time, peoples are not so educated.
Yes, yes,
So
okay.
then people used to like a stories.
Okay.
With the help of stories, they try to learn. They try to teach what's the wrong and what's the right for you. Okay,
Yes, yes,
then
okay.
they use to moral stories to teach this kind of things. Okay, and yeah, and after that, nowadays we also learn from these stories. Like
Yes, yes.
you also pick up the Ramayana. Okay, Ramayana also give a lot of
Yes.
things which
Yes.
we can teach. Like you can, if you pick up the character of Rama,
Yes.
you learn a lot of things like a patience, like a courage, and what's uh, the mythology and moral stories that are things like if you do any bad thing, okay, then you get punished for it. You will
Yes.
get
Yes.
punished, okay.
Yes.
If you do other like good things, okay, then you are rewarded,
Yes. Yes.
okay. And in a ancient
Is very in the scripture, so that's why I'm also actually Kurukshetra from related to Mahabharata. So there
Mahabharata,
the
yeah,
yes battle actually in Pandav
battle
and
of
the yes and Kaurav, yes. So that's and yeah,
Kaurav.
small I can say the Arjun also. So the all I
So,
can say all are student. The Dronachari I can say the teacher
mhm.
and Arjun's teacher and actually Bhim for actually Pandav and Kaurav. See, so everyone I can say Dronachari asked who I can say who you see, but every person told I see only the tree, but
Tree.
only the yes, Arjun said, I only see the eye of the. So that's the
Yeah,
importance of goal. That's the story
yeah,
we learn in childhood. Yes, heard
yeah.
about.
So
Yeah,
this kind of thing we learn from mythology. You can
yes,
say moral
yes,
story.
yes. The importance of yoga.
Yoga, okay. Yoga, it's very essential for our good, healthy lifestyle. Okay, yoga give two type of benefits, like if you physically and as well as mentally. Okay, physically, if you do yoga every day, then you feel energetic and some kind get relief, any some kind of pain, maybe like a back pain and neck pain. It's happened with me that I experienced this thing, so
Yes,
that's why
yes.
I told you
Initially, yeah,
tell you.
it's happened. Yeah,
Yeah. And
I'm
you
also relate
you
of
feel
this.
you're so energetic, and throughout the day you feel so energetic, you can do whatever you want to do, and you be more focused, okay, on. And if you come to mentally, so it gives you peaceful, it
Yes,
gives you
yes.
peaceful, yeah, maybe it's not maybe, and it gives a peaceful things you, because most of the time nowadays is very our lifestyle is like a stressful, okay, but you do yoga every day, then you get relief this
Yes, yes, of
any
course.
kind of stress, okay. And you also question,
Okay, okay.
are you from Rajasthan?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and Raj, what's
Okay.
the common in all the forts? Common thing.
Yeah, actually, fort made for a safety
Like,
purpose. Big wall, so that's why the Aja make actually the fort, make the fort. So and common thing culture, I can say that's also because um, the actually Rajasthani culture, dhoti and kurta for a yeah cloth for a actually man
yeah.
and the woman
Food
for a
also, maybe
ghagra and
food.
choli. Yeah, sorry, and many
I mean, food also famous food.
yes yes food also dal bati and churma very famous in Rajasthan.
Yeah, yeah. I love it. I love it.
Okay.
Okay. So, I think I also need to know about something like history because I really don't know.
Okay.
If someone asks any questions our history, then I'm bad at history.
Okay.
So if when I connect to the you connect the peoples, then I got a little bit informations about the
Yes, yes.
that particular place and their history, their culture, traditions. So that's why I love to connect to different people.
Yes, yes, of course. And yeah, in Rajasthan, I can say I come from pink city of Rajasthan, and yeah, the lake city of Rajasthan, Udaipur, and the food and so many things. Yes, weather also.
I'm really enjoying this session because most of the time we're just talking about English and English and English. Okay,
Yes,
but now we are talking in a different topic, so
yes.
really I love this kind of conversation.
Yes, I also because I also doing same. I also
Okay,
force myself into the topic about the topic. Yes,
this is a great initiative because whenever you found a new topic, you just, stuck. Sometimes you just freeze.
yes,
So
yes.
that's why. I
Okay,
have a
thank you
great
so
day.
much. Give me your precious time, and yeah, I'm always grateful for
Same
that.
here. I also want to say thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye.